So, just a follow up to the last video I posted yesterday. I am currently um I'm currently holding two trades currently. GBPUSD buy and this USD card sell. So the two trades I'm holding currently. So as you can see, USD card went drawdown currently. Hoping that something happens. So this is since it is a daily time frame, so I've entered this off of a daily for daily not even not daily resistance, more like a weekly failed zone. That's right here. So you can see we've created this demand area, and then demand area has failed, and then right here supports, and then we've sold off. We've broken multiple structures right there. Where's the tool? Where's the low drawing tool? Where's the low drawing tool? Let's use the highlight right there and right there. Well, not that one, but biggest one is right there. So structure, and then you get this one as well. Taking that one out, and now I consider this also weak rejections, a potential breakout. Yeah. So hopefully something happens from here. But other than that, I will try and put a screenshot or a screen recording of where the position is on MT5. So that is what I'm holding now. Then go back to GBP USD. So I'm still holding this one as well, GBP USD buy. The How have I come to that conclusion? If you go again into the weekly time frame, this is a potential weekly order block, weekly zone, weekly supply, whatever you want to call it. So all the same thing. And then the first rejection there, we didn't get a breakout on the daily time frame, and then we also didn't get a breakout of a potential swing high, which is right there. So if we did, it definitely be a stronger signal. But so far, you can see intentions here. So far, you can see intentions there, breakout there, and a second breakout there. So I have chosen to. We can see a breakout. This right here, this strong intentional candle is big, and then we have a massive consolidation, and then more breakouts there. So I've chosen to play from this support, but so far we've come into profit, and then we've come back out. We're sitting in drawdown currently. So hopefully something happens here. And then I'm also keeping my eye on DXY. Where is DXY? Where is DXY? Right there. So DXY doing this is not very confident. Closing very bullish. It's not very confident. It's invalidating the whole idea. So I'm hoping that DXY, if you go into the weekly, DXY has been respecting this resistance. So we've come up here, we've sold off, we've come up here, we've sold off, we've come up here, we've sold off. So we're back here again. I expect some kind of well, no, I expect some kind of expecting some kind of sell-off, but we're just not there yet. So again, I will upload, I will add a screenshot of the position I'm holding while I'm editing this video, and then however it unfolds, I will keep you posted. But I plan to either this trade goes all the way or it stops me out. I will not do the old. I will not. I will not interrupt the process, because most of the time I realize that my system gives me at least a 40 to 45% win rate on a beautiful day, strong trend, strong momentum in the market. You get above 50%. But the problem with that is most of the time, I go into big drawdowns and I just don't allow the system play. Most of the time, it almost takes me out, but it never really takes me out. But then I just cut the loss because I'm thinking, okay, yeah, it's going to take me out. So I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to allow this play out. Either it goes all the way or it doesn't go all the way. So I still believe in the idea, regardless of what DXY has printed. I'm closely monitoring DXY to see we're in this resistance. USD CAD is also at the resistance. GBPUSD is at a potential support. So if GBPUSD will buy, it's going to buy from there. If it won't, if it's going to fail, it's going to fail from there. If USD CAD will sell, it will definitely sell from there. So we'll just sit down and watch how things unfold. Yeah, and then gold. I haven't done anything with gold. Gold is looking. This is where we are with gold. I was looking to buy from there. I'm still very bullish on gold. If you, I was looking online and there's people who are bearish on gold, but I'm far from bearish on gold. I am as bullish as it get on gold, because again we have you go into the weekly time frame. We've come into this potential that we've had a first reaction here. This was 23rd of March, and then we've come back there again last week, and then you see the same reaction. So I'm very bullish on gold. H4 time frame. I needed a breakout. We did have a breakout from here. The market opened and gapped up pretty well. So we're stuck at resistance, and I do want to enter a position. I'd like it to come down here for me to potentially enter. Come down to 44, 42.21 for me to potentially take a buy position. If not, want to entirely annihilate this resistance, and then I can wait for a potential bounce from this that will more than likely fail or has failed already, depending on what it is. I need a close, so there's no close above it just yet. We just had a wick above it, which is a good sign. So we need a close above it, and then I need something like that to happen. Where is my drawing tool? Where is my drawing tool? So again, typical break and retest. So I want something like a close, and then I want that to happen, and I want that to happen, and this comes, and then I can enter from here. So this is my intention. I want to see price shows that it wants to go from here. If not, more than likely, if that doesn't happen, the likelihood of it coming down here to potentially buy is very high. So see how this goes. This candle still has about 2 more hours, or 1 hour 20 minutes to close. So if that happens, if this closes above here, then that's like a strong bullish intention for me. But I just sit down and wait. I won't do much. Just sit down and wait for now. So it's Wednesday already. I haven't taken a zero trades on gold. I'm just holding a GBP USD and a USD card, and I entered those trades. I entered GBP USD card yesterday, went Tuesday, and then GBP USD. I've been holding it since Monday. So this is a far cry from the 1 hour go down to 15-minute play that I always take. So like I said, it's instant. It's now, it's immediately. If you are playing on the 15 minutes, but playing from the weekly, daily, and then trying to enter on the H4, like, especially when it chooses to consolidate. And for some reason, since the beginning of the year, GBP USD and has been just a consolidating joke. So I believe my system, I believe my bias. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, and we just move on to the next one. But that's what I'm holding for now. So whatever happens or whatever changes, I will try and upload more videos. uses.